China on Saturday completed the installation of the satellite television project in 900 Ugandan villages that face connectivity challenges. The Access to Satellite TV for 10,000 African Villages project in Uganda, launched in 2018, is implemented by Chinese satellite television, Star Times. More than 100,000 people in 18,000 households, 2,700 schools and health centers now have access to satellite television.
So if there are some medical people maybe saying something about Ebola, we can easily get that information as health workers, and also our patients to get the current information about healthy services. Yeah. Last time our patients were sitting in a line waiting, and don't know what time they are going to call your name to see the doctor. So at least they can be seeing something from there. They are getting the information from there, and they are able to be patient and wait for the doctor.
It has added a very great impact on our learners as far as teaching and learning process. First, with the teachers, it simplifies your work. And with the pupils, they get the clear picture of what you are talking about. So we are very grateful.
This project helps them to reduce the digital divide and to shorten the information gap between the cities and the villages, because I think information is such an important, essential part of our daily life, and everyone has the right to access to the most updated information.